Hello, future global citizens. As a study abroad expert, I hear this so much from students that everyone advises them on how important is it to network while studying abroad and to make connections. But can someone actually tell me how it's done? Don't worry. Keep watching this video as I will help you explore strategies and insights to help you make the most of your study abroad journey by forging meaningful connections that can shape your personal and professional future. The first step in building connections during your study abroad experience is embracing cultural exchange and diversity. Engage with fellow students from different backgrounds, be open to new perspectives, and actively participate in intercultural activities. By doing so, you will foster meaningful relationships and broaden your worldview. Next, leverage university resources and events. Universities and study abroad programs offer an array of resources and events specifically designed to facilitate networking opportunities. Attend orientation sessions, workshops, and social events organized by a university or program to meet fellow students, professors, and professionals in your field of interest. One of the best ways to build connections abroad is by engaging with local community organizations. Volunteer your time, join local clubs or interest groups, and participate in community events. These experiences will not only allow you to give back to the community, but also provide opportunities to connect with locals who can offer insights into the local culture and professional opportunities. Next is reach out to alumni from your home university or study abroad program who have experienced a similar journey. They can offer valuable advice, share their experiences, and even introduce you to professional networks. In this digital age, online platforms and social media play a significant role in networking. Join study abroad alumni groups, professional networks, and online communities relevant to your interests. And lastly, building connections is not only about the initial interaction, it's also about maintaining and nurturing those relationships over time. Stay in touch with the people you meet during your study abroad journey through social media, emails, and occasional meetups. These were a few strategies on how you can build connections and network well. Remember, as you embark on your study abroad adventure, be proactive, be open, and embrace the power of connections. So that was all. If you like this video, share this with your friends who are planning to study abroad, and stay tuned with us by subscribing to Leverage Edu. Thank you.